Welcome home.
Wow, look at our bags. Our bags have been dropped off. I could have clicked the thumb. Nice big bed. When you do a back-to-back, they bring your room, all your stuff into your room. This is a balcony room. It is normal size. The couch is a lot bigger than the room we just had. Look at how big this couch is. See? We got cabinets, cooler, and the closet we didn't like. When it's next to the bed, it's not as easy to get into. But closet. Look at the bathroom. You get a master switch. And the bathroom. Hello. It's the same as any other ones. I think. Towels. Shower. A little foot bar. Same old. Same old. I think the only thing we've noticed different with some of the rooms, including balcony rooms, is some closets are like this right next to the bed and some are next to the couch. And the ones next to the couch are a lot easier to get into. Outside, we are in Texas. Look at that view. Parking. Oh, it's hot. And over there is the bridge. That's our neighbor this week. See, I think. There you go. Little chairs too out there. Maybe that's where the captain sleeps. He might be our neighbor. I think he might be. Look at it, Jim. Look in there.
I am the captain now. Oh, wow.
It looks like a big room, suite. And we're right next to the bridge, but it might be the captain's room too. Huh?
Could be their den room.
Or they hang out there.